Did you know Persephone could have left the underworld the whole time, but she chose to stay? Here is what the myth actually says. Hades took her, dragged her underground while she was picking flowers. Her mother Demeter lost her mind with grief and stopped all life on Earth. Crops died, people starved, the world went cold and silent. Zeus finally forced Hades to give her back, but Persephone had eaten 6 pomegranate seeds while she was down there, and everyone in ancient Greece knew the rule. Eat the food of the dead and you belong to the dead. She knew that rule too. So why did she eat? Because she had spent her whole life in a meadow, under her mother's eye, picking flowers. And then she saw a kingdom, and a throne, and a crown that was hers. Demeter mourned a daughter who was taken, but Persephone became the queen of the dead. She goes back to her mother every spring, but she always returns to her kingdom, her throne, her choice.